नमस्ते दोस्तों, स्मार्ट माइंड्स ट्यूटोरियल्स में आपका स्वागत है। आइए आज कुछ नया सीखें।
Let us get started with exercise 1C. Take the first question from Roman number 1. Find the equation of the tangent at P of the circle S is equal to 0 where P and S is given. So see, this is a circle. This is a tangent. Tangent at some P. Now we need to find out the equation of this line. Tangent is nothing but a line. So we have to find out the equation of this tangent. Let's say the tangent is AB. Okay. So first what is given to us, we will write it down. Given P is equal to 7 comma minus 5 and S is x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. This is the point, P is the point and S is the circle. Now we have a formula for equation of tangent. What is the formula for equation of tangent? It is S1 is equal to 0. So what do you mean by S1? S1 means xx1 plus yy1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c equals to 0. Now from point we get x1, y1 and from the circle what is g? G is half of coefficient of x. So coefficient of x is minus 6, half of minus 6 is minus 3. The same way f is half of coefficient of y, that is 2, and c is the constant minus 12. Now we got GFC values, x1, y1 value. Now just the substitution. So x into 7 plus y into minus 5 minus 3 into x plus 7 plus 2 into y minus 5 plus c is equal to 0. So 7x minus 5y minus 3x minus 21. I multiplied this into this, this into this. Now we multiply this into this, this into this. And in the place of c, we will write minus 12. So that is plus 2y minus 10 minus 12 equals to 0. So now first we simplify x terms. 7x minus 3x is 4x. Minus 5y plus 2y is minus 3y. Now we will simplify the constants. All the three constants are negative, so we add and keep minus sign. 21 plus 10 is 31. 31 plus 12 is 43. So that is minus 43 is equal to 0. This is the equation of tangent. Take the next question. Point is given, circle is given. First we will write given point. Given point is minus 1 comma 1 and given circle is x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12. Now we need to find equation of tangent and we know the formula for equation of tangent. Equation of tangent is S1 is equal to 0. What do you mean by S1? Xx1 plus yy1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c is equal to 0. Now from the point we will get x1, y1 and from the circle we will get GFC. G is half of coefficient of x, that is minus 3. F is half of coefficient of y, that is 2. And C is the constant, that is minus 12. Now substitute the values. X into minus 1 plus y into 1 minus 3 into x minus 1 plus 2 into y plus 1 minus 12 is equal to 0. So that is minus x plus y minus 3x plus 3 plus 2y plus 2 minus 12 is 0. So minus x minus 3x is minus 4x plus 3y. Now 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 minus 12 is minus 7 is 0. Always make sure x term should be positive. So take minus common, you will get 4x minus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0. This is the final answer. Take the next question. Third bit, p is equal to minus 6 comma minus 9. S is x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y minus 39. Here we need to find out equation of tangent. So first let us write down what is the given point. Given point P is equal to minus 6 comma minus 9. That is x1 comma y1. And what is the circle equation? Circle S is x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y minus 39 equals to 0. Now from here we will find GFC. G is half of coefficient of x, that is 2. F is half of coefficient of y, that is 3. And C is the constant term, that is minus 39. Now after finding GFC, x1 and y1, we will see how to find out equation of tangent. So equation of tangent formula is S1 is equal to 0. What do you mean by S1 is equal to 0? Whenever S1 is equal to 0 comes, we take this formula x1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c is equal to 0. Now we substitute the values. X into x1 is minus 6 plus y into minus 9 plus 2 into x minus 6 plus 3 into y minus 9 minus 39 is 0. So minus 6x minus 9y plus 2x minus 12 plus 3y minus 27 minus 39 is 0. Minus 6x plus 2x is minus 4x minus 6y. Now add these three. 39, 27 and 12. 78. So that is minus 78 is equal to 0. You can take minus 2 common. So you get 2x plus 3y plus 39 equals to 0. This is equation of tangent. Take the next question. P is equal to 3, 4. S is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 11. So first let us write down the given point. Given point P is equal to 3, 4. Circle is S is equal to x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 11 is equal to 0. So point we will take it as x1, y1, and from circle we will take GFC values. G is minus 2, F is minus 3 and C is 11. Now let us see what is equation of tangent formula. Equation of tangent is S1 is equal to 0. So what is S1 is equal to 0? Xx1 plus yy1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c is equal to 0. Now x into 3 plus y into 4 minus 2 into x plus 3 minus 3 into y plus 4 plus 11 is equal to 0. So that is 3x plus 4y minus 2x minus 6 minus 3y minus 12 plus 11 is 0. So 3x minus 2x is x, 4y minus 3y is y, minus 6 minus 12 is minus 18, minus 18 plus 11 is minus 7 is equal to 0. This is the final answer. Take the next question. Find the equation of the normal at P of the circle where P and S are given by. So first let us write down what is the given point. Given point P is 3 comma minus 4 and given circle is S is equal to x square plus y square plus x plus y minus 24 is equal to 0. So from the circle equation, G is 1 by 2, F is 1 by 2, C is minus 24. Now this is x1 comma y1. Now what is equation? For equation of normal, first you should find out equation of tangent. So we already know how to find out equation of tangent. So equation of tangent is S1 is equal to 0. So what is S1? Xx1 plus yy1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c is equal to 0. Now substitute x into 3 plus y into minus 4 plus 1 by 2 into x plus 3 plus 1 by 2 into y minus 4 minus 24 is 0. Now take the LCM. 6x minus 8y plus x plus 3 plus y minus 4 minus 48 is 0. So 6x plus x is 7x minus 8y plus y is minus 7y. Now 3 minus 48 minus 4 is minus 52. Minus 52 plus 3 is minus 49. If you take 7 common, x minus y minus 7 is 0. This is equation of tangent. Now after getting the equation of tangent, we will find out slope of the tangent. How do you find slope of a line? By the formula minus a by b. That is minus 1 by minus 1, which is equal to 1. Now after getting the slope of the tangent, how to find out equation of normal? We have a formula, that is y minus y. First, what do you mean by normal? A line which is perpendicular to the tangent. Okay. So y minus y1 is minus 1 by m into x minus x1. Now in the place of x1 and y1, we will substitute 3 comma minus 4. So y minus of minus plus 4 is equal to minus 1 by what is m? M is 1 into x minus 3. Now y plus 4 is equal to minus x plus 3. Bring all terms one side. X plus 4 plus 1 is 0. This is equation of normal. Take the next question. P is equal to 3 comma 5. S is x square plus y square minus 10x minus 2y plus 6. We need to find equation of normal. So first we need to find equation of tangent. So first let us write what is the given point. Given point P is equal to 3 comma 5 and given circle S is equal to x square plus y square minus 10x minus 2y plus 6. Now first let us find out equation of tangent. What is the formula to find equation of tangent? It is S1 is equal to 0. So what do you mean by S1 is equal to 0? Xx1 plus yy1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c is equal to 0. So x into 3 plus y into 5. Now from the circle equation find GFC. G is minus 5, F is minus 1 and C is 6. We will substitute the values now. G is minus 5 into x plus 3. F is minus 1 into y plus 5. C is 6. So this is 3x plus 5y minus 5x minus 15 minus y minus 5 plus 6 is equal to 0. So minus 2x plus 4y minus 15 minus 5 is minus 20. Minus 20 plus 6 is minus 14 is 0. Now take minus 2 common. X minus 2y plus 7 is 0. Now, after getting equation of tangent, we will find slope of tangent. What is slope of tangent formula? Minus a by b. So that is minus 1 by minus 2, which is equal to 1 by 2. Now, after knowing the slope of tangent, how to find out equation of normal? Equation of normal formula is y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. So y minus y1 is 5 is equal to minus 1 by m is 1 by 2 into x minus x1 is 3. Now this will become y minus 5 is equal to minus 2 into x minus 3. Now multiply this minus 2 inside. Y minus 5 is equal to minus 2x plus 6. Now take all terms one side. 2x plus y minus 11 is equal to 0. Take the next question. P is given, S is given. So first we will write down the given point. Given point P is equal to 1, 3 and given circle S is equal to 3 into x square plus y square minus 19x minus 29y plus 73. You can see coefficient of x square and y square is 3. So first we have to divide by 3. So if you divide this equation by 3, you will get x square plus y square minus 19 by 3x minus 29 by 3y plus 76 by 3 is equal to 0. Now from here, what is g? G is half of coefficient of x, that is minus 19 by 6. F is minus 29 by 6 and C is 76 by 3. Now what is equation of tangent? Equation of tangent is S1 is equal to 0. S1 is equal to 0 means x1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c is equal to 0. Now we substitute x into 1 plus y into 3 minus 19 by 6 into x plus 1 minus 29 by 6 into y plus 3 plus 76 by 3 is equal to 0. Now take LCM, you will get 6x plus 18y minus 19x minus 19 minus 29y minus, see here I am multiplying this into this into this. What is 29 into 3? It is 87. So minus 87 plus what is 76 into 2? 152 is equal to 0. Now 6x minus 19x is minus 13x. 18y minus 29y is minus 11y. Now minus 19 minus 87 is, add 19 and 87 first. You will get 106. So this is minus 106. What is minus 106 plus 152? So we need to subtract 152 minus 106. 152 minus 106. 12 minus 6 is 6. This is 46. So plus 46 is equal to 0. Now if you take Take the next question. Find the length of the chord formed by x square plus y square equals to a square on the line x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. So again we need to draw the same figure, a circle, then a chord, a center, perpendicular distance, radius. This is R, this is D, this is C, center. Now what is the line? This line is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. So first let us write the given circle equation. Given circle equation is x square plus y square is equal to a square. So you can see the circle equation is in standard form. So if we compare this with x square plus y square is equal to r square, you get center as 0, 0 and radius is equal to a. Directly you got center and radius. Now what is the line equation given? Given line equation is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. So here a is cos alpha, b is sin alpha and c is minus p. Now d is the perpendicular distance from center 0, 0 to the line x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. What is the formula for d? Mod ax1 plus by1 plus c by root a square plus b square. That is cos alpha into 0 plus sin alpha into 0 minus p by root over cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. That is p by, we know that cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is 1. So d is equal to p. Therefore, what is length of chord? Length of chord formula is 2 root r square minus d square. But r we got it as a and d we got it as p. So 2 root a square minus p square is the final answer. Take the next question. Find the equation of the circle with center 2, 3 and touching the line 3x minus 4y plus 1 equals to 0. So there is a circle and there is a line touching the circle. This is the center. Center is given in the question 2, 3. This is perpendicular distance. And the line is 3x minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. Now what is given to us? Center CH, K is equal to 2, 3. Now what is given equation of the straight line? Equation of the line is 3x minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. Now since the line touches the circle, what is the condition when the line touches the circle? R is equal to D. First let us find out D. What is D? D is perpendicular distance from center 2, 3 to the line 3x minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. Now what is the formula for perpendicular distance? Mod ax1 plus by1 plus c by root a square plus b square. That is mod 3 into 2 minus 4 into 3 plus 1 by root 9 plus 16. That is 6 minus 12 plus 1 by root 25 is 5. So this is 7 minus 12. 7 minus 12 is minus 5. So my modulus of minus 5 is 5. 5 by 5, that is 1. D is equal to 1. That means radius is also equal to 1. Now you have center 2 comma 3 and radius is equal to 1. So what is the equation of circle when center and radius is given? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So that is x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to 1 square. So x square plus 4 minus 4x plus y square plus 9 minus 6y minus 1 is equal to 0. So that is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y. 4 plus 9 is 13. 13 minus 1 is 12. 12 is 0. Take the next question. Find the equation of the circle with center minus 3, 4 and touching y-axis. So this is the coordinate axis and the circle is touching the y-axis. So this is the center. This is center minus 3, 4. And this is the perpendicular distance. So first you see what is given to us. Center C h, k is equal to minus 3, 4. Now what is the equation of y-axis? Equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. Now since the circle touching the y-axis, what does it mean? That means y-axis is the tangent. So what is radius? Radius is equal to perpendicular distance. And that is equal to, what is the formula for perpendicular distance? Mod ax1 plus by1 plus c by root a square plus b square. That is 1 into minus 3 plus 0 into 4 plus 0 by root over 1 square plus 0 square. X is equal to 0 is the line. So coefficient of x is 1. Coefficient of y is 0. That's why I have taken 0 over here. So if you simplify this, you will get 3. That means r is equal to 3. When center is minus 3, 4 and r is 3, what is equation of circle? Equation of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Now substitute x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square is equal to 3 square. Now you open the brackets, x square plus 9 plus 6x plus y square plus 16 minus 8y minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 9 cancel. You will get x square plus y square plus 6x minus 8y plus 16 is equal to 0. Now take the next question. Find the equation of tangents of the circle at the points whose ordinates are 1. So first, let us say what is the point. Ordinates are 1 means, ordinate means y coordinate. So let the point on the circle be x, 1. Okay. Where tangent is also passing from the same point. So if you substitute this point in the circle equation, what will you get? Now what is the given circle? Given circle equation is x square plus y square minus 8x minus 2y plus 12 is 0. So if I substitute y is equal to 1, what will I get? X square plus 1 minus 8x minus 2 plus 12 is 0. Here what am I doing? Substituting y is equal to 1. So what do you get here? X square minus 8x. 13 minus 2 is 11 is equal to 0. Now, this is a quadratic equation. How can you solve this quadratic equation? By using formula method. So what is the formula method? Minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. So in the place of a we take 1, in the place of b we take minus 8, and in the place of c we take 11. So that is 8 plus or minus root over 64 minus 4 into 1 into 11 by 2 into 1. So that is 8 plus or minus root over 64 minus 44 by 2. That is 8 plus or minus root 20 by 2. Now root 20 we can write 8 plus or minus 2 root 5 by 2. 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 fours are. So that is 4 plus or minus root 5. This is the value of x. Okay. So x is
Impossible. Getting
x is 4 plus or minus root 5. Okay. And y is 1. So what is the equation of tangent? Equation of tangent is x is equal to 4 plus or minus root 5. Take the next question. Find the equation of tangents of the circle x square plus y square minus 10 is equal to 0 at the points whose abscissa are 1. Abscissa means x coordinate. Okay. So what is given to us? Abscissa is 1. That means x coordinate is equal to 1. Now what is the given circle equation? Given circle equation is x square plus y square minus 10 is equal to 0. Now put x is equal to 1 here. So 1 plus y square minus 10 is 0. So y square minus 9 is 0. So y plus 3 into y minus 3 is equal to 0. So y values are plus or minus 3. Okay. So this is the tangent equation. Take the next question. If x square plus y square is equal to c square and x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, intersect at a and b, then find ab. Hence deduce the condition that the line touches the circle. So here first let us write down what is the given equation of the circle. What is the given equation of the circle? X square plus y square is equal to c square. And what is equation of the line? Equation of the line is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. From this line, if I want to find y, then we can write y by b is equal to 1 minus x by a. So y is equal to b into 1 minus x by a. So you can write this as y is equal to minus b by ax plus b. Now we substitute this y value in the circle equation. Substituting this in equation number 1. So you will get x square plus minus b by ax plus b whole square is equal to c square. Now if you expand this, you will get b square by a square x square plus b square minus 2 b by a into x into b is equal to c square. Now if you combine the terms, what do you get? 1 plus b square by a square into x square. If you take x square common, then if we write x term separately and then constant separately. Now it is a quadratic equation in x. So what is the formula? Minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. So that is, this is the value of x here. Okay, now let us find out AB. So if you want to find AB, how do you get 2 root b square minus 4ac by a? Now if you substitute the values here, you will get 2 root over. What is b? B is, from this equation I am taking ABC values. B is minus 2b by a whole square minus 4 into what is a? 1 plus b square by a square into c is b square minus c square by a. A is 1 plus b square by a square. Now what is the condition for tangency? Condition for tangent is discriminant should be equal to 0. What is discriminant? B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Now this leads to minus b by a whole square minus 4 into 1 plus b square by a square into b square minus c square is equal to 0. This is the required condition. Take the next question. If y is equal to mx plus c and x square plus y square is equal to a square, intersect at a and b, and if ab is equal to 2 lambda, then show that c square is equal to 1 plus m square into a square minus lambda square. So for this, let us draw a figure. We'll draw a circle, a chord, a center. This is perpendicular distance. This is radius. This chord is AB. And this line is y is equal to mx plus c. Now first let us see what is the given equation of the circle. What is the equation of the circle? X square plus y square is equal to a square. Now this equation is in standard form. So comparing with x square plus y square is equal to r square. So in the place of r you have a. That means radius is a. This radius is a. And center is 0, 0. Now what is equation of straight line? Equation of straight line is y is equal to mx plus c. Take y to the other side, you will get mx minus y plus c is equal to 0. Now d is equal to perpendicular distance from center 0, 0 to the line mx minus y plus c is equal to 0. So this is the line equation, mx minus y plus c is equal to 0. Now what is the formula for perpendicular distance? Mod ax1 plus by1 plus c by root a square plus b square. So that is mod. Now from the line equation, a is m, b is minus 1 and c is c. So this is m into 0 minus 1 into 0 plus c by root m square plus 1. That is mod c by root m square plus 1. That is c by root m square plus 1. Now what is given to us? Given AB is equal to 2 lambda. Now what is AB? AB is chord. And what is length of the chord formula? 2 root r square minus d square is equal to 2 lambda. 2 get cancelled. If you square on both sides, you will get r square minus d square is equal to lambda square. Now what is r square? R square is a square minus what is d square? C square by m square plus 1 is equal to lambda square. So a square minus lambda square is equal to c square by 1 plus m square. If you cross multiply, you will get c square is equal to 1 plus m square into a square minus lambda square. This is the final answer. Take the next question. Find the equation of the circle with center minus 2, 3. Cutting a chord length 2 units on 3x plus 4y plus 4 equals to 0. So we take a circle. There is a chord whose equation is also given, whose length is also given. So equation is 3x plus 4y plus 4 is 0 and its length is 2 units. We have a center. Center is given to us. We need to find perpendicular distance, radius and then equation of circle. So this center is given as minus 2, 3. Now first what is given to us? Given center is minus 2, 3. And line equation is also given to us. Line equation is 3x plus 4y plus 4 is equal to 0. So from here A is 3, B is 4 and C is 4. So what is D? D is perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance from center minus 2, 3 to the line 3x plus 4y plus 4 is 0. So what is the formula for D? Mod ax1 plus by1 plus c by root a square plus b square. ABC we take from line equation. A is 3, B is 4 and C is also 4. So mod 3 into minus 2 plus 4 into 3 plus 4 by root a square plus b square, 9 plus 16. That is equal to mod minus 6 plus 12 plus 4 by 5. 12 plus 4 is 16. 16 minus 6 is 10. 10 by 5 is 2. That means D is equal to 2. After getting D is equal to 2, length of chord is given as, length of chord is 2 units given. Now what is the formula for length of chord? 2 root r square minus d square is 2. 2 to cancel. If you square on both sides, you get r square minus d square is 1. Just now you got d as 2. So d square will be 4. So r square is 5. So r is root 5. Okay. Now center is minus 2, 3. Radius is root 5. What is equation of circle when center and radius is given? The formula is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to root 5 square. Square root get cancelled. You get x square plus 4 plus 4x plus y square plus 9 minus 6y is equal to 5. Take all terms one side, x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y. 4 plus 9 is 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. Plus 8 is equal to 0. This is the final answer. Take the next question. Find the equation of tangent and normal at 3, 2 of the circle x square plus y square minus x minus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. So first let us see what is the given circle equation. So circle equation is x square plus y square minus x minus 3y minus 4 is 0. Now from the circle equation we can find GFC. So G is half of coefficient of x, that is minus 1 by 2. F is half of coefficient of y, that is minus 3 by 2. C is equal to minus 4. Now what is the given point? Given point is 3, 2. We take it as x1, y1. Now we know that equation of tangent is S1 is equal to 0. So what is S1 is equal to 0? X1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c is equal to 0. Now we know GFC values, we know x1, y1. Let's substitute. So x into 3 plus y into 2 minus 1 by 2 into x plus 3 minus 3 by 2 into y plus 2 minus 4 is equal to 0. Now let us multiply this inside and this also. So what do you get? 3x plus 2y minus x by 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 3y by 2 minus 6 by 2 minus 4 is equal to 0. 2 ones are 2 threes are. Now if you take the LCM, or let us simplify this first. 3x plus 2y minus x by 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 3y by 2 minus 7 is 0. Now if you take the LCM, 6x plus 4y minus x minus 3 minus 3y minus 14 is 0. So 6x minus x is 5x, 4y minus 3y is y, minus 3 minus 14 is minus 17. Now this is the equation of tangent. Now to find equation of normal, first we need to find slope of this line. Tangent is nothing but a line. So what is slope of the line? Slope of the line formula is minus a by b. Minus a is coefficient of x and b is coefficient of y. So that is minus 5 by 1, which is equal to minus 5. So you take this as m. Now after you get the slope of tangent, instead of line you can say tangent also. We can find equation of normal. What do you mean by normal? Normal is a line which is perpendicular to the tangent. So equation of normal is y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. So the point given is 3, 2, right? So we take this 3, 2 as x1, y1. Now y minus 2 is equal to minus 1 by minus 5 into x minus 3. So here y minus 2 is equal to minus minus cancel 1 by 5 into x minus 3. Now cross multiply 5y minus 10 is equal to x minus 3. Take all left hand side terms to right hand side. X minus 5y plus 7 is equal to 0. This is the final answer. Take the next question. Here, fifth question is almost same as fourth one. So that is the reason I am not doing it, and I am moving on to the sixth question. Prove that the tangent at 3, minus 2 of the circle x square plus y square is equal to 13 touches the circle x square plus y square plus 2x minus 10y minus 26 is equal to 0 and find its point of contact. So first let us write down what is the given circle. Given circle is x square plus y square is equal to 13. So from here, center is 0, 0 and radius is equal to root 13. Okay, now let us find out equation of tangent. Or here we can take GFC values also. G is 0, F is 0, and C is minus 13. So equation of tangent is S1 is equal to 0. Now you can see this equation is in standard form. So if it is in standard form, what is S1 is equal to 0? X1 plus YY1 is equal to 13. Now let us substitute the point. The point is 3 comma minus 2. So given point is 3 comma minus 2. In the place of x1, y1, we will substitute this. So x into 3 plus y into minus 2 is equal to 13. So you get 3x minus 2y minus 13 is equal to 0. Now you see this is the circle, this is the first circle, and there is another circle, and this is the tangent equation, this is the tangent, and the same tangent touches the other circle we have to show. So this is the line equation. So this line touches the circle, that means the condition is R is equal to D. Okay. So for what is the given equation of the circle here? The second circle we have to take. What is the given equation of the circle? X square plus y square. X square plus y square plus 2x minus 10y minus 26 is equal to 0. This is the circle. Now from here we will find GFC. G is 1, F is minus 5 and C is minus 26. So center is minus G comma minus F, that is 1 comma 5. Minus 1 comma 5. And what is the radius? Radius R is root over G square plus F square minus C. That is root over 1 plus 25 minus of minus plus 26. So 26 plus 26 is 72. 26 plus 26 is 52. So this is root 52. Okay. Now we will find out D. What is D? D is perpendicular distance. From center minus 1 comma 5 to the line. What is the line we have to take? We need to take the tangent equation. This tangent equation we should take. So 3x minus 2y minus 13 is equal to 0. Okay. So from here we take A as 3, B as minus 2, C as minus 13. So D, what is the formula for perpendicular distance? Mod AX1 plus BY1 plus C by root A square plus B square. So that is mod 3 into minus 1 minus 2 into 5 minus 13 by root 9 plus 4. That is minus 3 minus 10 minus 13 by root 13. Now this is 26 minus 3 minus 10 is minus 13, minus 13 minus 13 is 26. So 26 by root 13. So 26 we can write 13 into 2 by root 13. So root 13 ones are root 13 root 13s are. That is 2 root 13. And here root 52 can also be written as 2 root 13 because this is 4 into 13. So this is 2 root 13. R and D both are equal, radius and perpendicular distance. So you got R is equal to D, that is equal to 2 root 3. Therefore, the tangent of the first circle touches the second circle. Okay, now we need to find out the point of contact. So this point of contact, we need to find out at what point it is touching. So this is, let us say the point of contact is P, H, comma, K. Let P, H, comma, K be the point of contact. And if you see the figure, the same point is the foot of the perpendicular also. So it is the foot of the perpendicular. Okay. So now we need to find out we should know the formula for foot of the perpendicular. H minus x1 by A is equal to K minus y1 by B is equal to minus of AX1 plus BY1 plus C. We have learned this formula in the first year straight lines chapter. Okay. Now, if you see what is the center we got, the center is minus 1 comma 5. So center is minus 1 comma 5. And what is the line? Line is 3x minus 2y minus 13. 3x minus 2y minus 13 is 0. So from here we can take A as 3, B as minus 2 and C as minus 3. Now H minus x1, x1, y1 is the center. So plus 1 by A is equal to K minus y1 by B is equal to minus of AX1, 3 into minus 1 plus BY1 minus 2 into 5 plus C. So that is minus 13 by A square plus B square, 9 plus 4. So H plus 1 by 3 is equal to K minus 5 by minus 2 is equal to minus of minus 3 minus 10 minus 13 by 13. So H plus 1 by 3 is equal to K minus 5 by minus 2 is equal to, this is 26 by 3. 13 ones are 13 twos are. So now we can equate first and last, second and last. So H plus 1 by 3 is equal to 2, which implies H plus 1 is 6 and which implies H is equal to 5. Then K minus 5 by minus 2 is equal to 2. So if you cross multiply, K minus 5 is equal to minus 4 and K is equal to 1. Therefore, point of contact is 5 comma 1. This is the final answer. Take the next question. 8th question. Find the equations of the tangents to the circle. X square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 12 is 0, which are parallel to x plus y minus 8 is equal to 0. So first let us take a figure. This is a circle. This is the tangent. And this is a line which is parallel to the tangent. And this line equation is x plus y minus 8 is equal to 0. So whenever you want to find a parallel line, then x and y terms will be the same and the difference comes only by a constant. So in the place of constant, we write k. And this is the center. This is perpendicular distance. And this is center C. So first let us see what is the given equation of the circle. Given equation of the circle is x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. Now comparing with the general equation, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is 0. So you get g is equal to minus 2, f is equal to 3, c is equal to minus 12. So center is always taken as minus g comma minus f. That is 2 comma minus 3. So you got the center. Center is 2 comma minus 3. Now after finding center, we need to find the radius. Radius r is equal to root over g square plus f square minus c. That is root over 4 plus 9 minus of minus plus 12. That is 5. So we got radius as 5. Now you see what is the given equation of the straight line. Given equation of the straight line is x plus y minus 8 is equal to 0. Now what is the equation of tangent which is parallel to this line? Parallel to x plus y minus 8 is equal to 0 is x plus y plus k is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. Now since equation number 1 is a tangent to the given circle, then what is the condition? Whenever a line touches the circle, condition is r is equal to d. That means radius is equal to perpendicular distance. What is the formula for perpendicular distance? Mod ax1 plus by1 plus c by root a square plus b square. So that is 1 into 2 plus 1 into minus 3 plus k by root over 1 plus 1. Radius we got it as 5. So in the place of r we write 5. So that is 5 is equal to 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So k minus 1 by root 2. So if you cross multiply you will get mod k minus 1 is equal to 5 root 2. To remove the modulus, we have to take plus or minus on the other side. So k is equal to 1 plus or minus 5 root 2. Now we need to substitute this in equation number 1. We have taken this as equation number 1, right? You can see this. Now substitute x plus y plus 1 plus or minus 5 root 2 equals to 0. Take the next question. Find the equations of the tangents to the circle x square plus y square plus 2x minus 2y minus 3 equals to 0 which are perpendicular to 3x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. Now what is the given equation of the circle? Given equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2x minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. Now let us take a circle. This is a tangent and this is the perpendicular. So this line is 3x minus y plus 4 is 0. So if 3x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0 is the line, what will be the perpendicular line? You interchange the coefficients of x and y. So here I am writing x, here y. So that 3 comes over here, that 1 comes over here. And change the sign of y. So this will become plus. And in the place of constant, we write k. This is how we take the perpendicular equation. Okay. So now from the circle equation, we get GFC. G is 1, F is minus 1, C is minus 3. Now what is center? center C is equal to minus G comma minus F. That is minus 1 comma 1. Now what is radius? Radius formula is root over G square plus F square minus C. That is root over minus 1 whole square plus 1 square minus of minus plus 3. So that is root 5. After we get the radius, we write the equation of the straight line. What is the given equation of the straight line? It is 3x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. So what is equation of the straight line perpendicular to this line? Perpendicular to 3x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0 is x plus 3y plus k is 0. Once again, I am telling you how I got this. We will interchange the coefficients of x and y and we change the sign of y. Then in the place of constant, we write k. So this is equation number 1. Now since equation number 1 is a tangent to the given circle, we have a condition that is r is equal to d. Now in the place of r, we will write root 5. In the place of d, we will write perpendicular distance formula. Mod ax1 plus by1 plus c by root a square plus b square. So root 5 is equal to mod a is 1, x1 is minus 1, b is 3, y1 is 1, c is k by root 1 plus 9. So that is root 5 is equal to mod 3 minus 1 is 2 plus k by root 10. If you cross multiply, you will get root 50. Root 50 is equal to mod 2 plus k. Root 50 can be written as 25 into 2. That is mod 2 plus k. So 5 root 2 is equal to mod 2 plus k. So 2 plus k is equal to plus or minus 5 root 2. K is equal to minus 2 plus or minus 5 root 2. Now substitute this k value in first equation. You will get x plus 3y minus 2 plus or minus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. This is the final answer. Take the next question. Find the equation of the tangents to the circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 3 is equal to 0, which makes an angle 45 degrees with x-axis. So first let us write down what is the given circle. Given circle equation is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 3 is 0. Now from this circle equation we will find GFC. So G is minus 2, F is minus 3, C is equal to 3. So what is the center? Center is C minus G comma minus F. That is 2 comma 3. And then we need to find out the radius. Radius is root over G square plus F square minus C. That is root over 4 plus 9 minus 3. 13 minus 3, that is root 10. Radius is equal to root 10. Now, what is the given line? Given line is y is equal to mx plus c, no? So here angle is 45 given. So y is equal to, we take 1x plus cy, since m is equal to tan 45, which is equal to 1. So we get y is equal to x plus c. Now, the line touches the circle. The line touches the given circle if and only if r is equal to d. So in the place of r, we will take root 10 is equal to, now see here line we got y is equal to x plus c. So x minus y plus c is 0. From here we get a is 1, b is minus 1 and c is c. So here in the place of d we take the formula of perpendicular distance mod ax1 plus by1 plus c by root a square plus b square. So root 10 is equal to, what is x1 y1? Center is x1 y1 2 comma 3. So a is 1, 1 into 2, b is minus 1, y1 is 3 and c is c itself. By root a and b is 1 and minus 1. So 1 plus 1 is root 2. So root 10 is equal to mod minus 1 plus c by root 2. Cross multiply. You will get root 20 is equal to mod minus 1 plus c. So 20 is equal to, otherwise if I remove the modulus, we will get minus 1 plus c is plus or minus root 20. So c is 1 plus or minus root 20. Okay, you got c value. So what are the required tangents? Therefore, required tangents are, take this equation as equation number 1, substituting in 1 now. So you will get x minus y plus 1 plus or minus root 20 is 0. Take the next question. Find the equation of the circle passing through minus 1 comma 0 and touching x plus y minus 7 is equal to 0 at 3 comma 4. So first we need to find out center. We don't know the circle equation. So let the center be a comma b. Now since the line touches the circle, at 3 comma 4, now see whenever a line touches a circle, what is the condition? Radius is equal to perpendicular distance. So radius is equal to perpendicular distance. Okay. Now what is the distance between, suppose, C and P? What is the distance between C and P? So CP is equal to under root a minus 3 whole square plus b minus 4 whole square. Okay. This is nothing but radius. And what is perpendicular distance? D is perpendicular distance mod ax1 plus by1 plus c by root a square plus b square. So that is mod a into 1 plus b into 1 minus 7 by root 1 plus 1. So that is mod a plus b minus 7 by root 2. Now since r is equal to d, we can equate them. So under root a minus 3 whole square plus b minus 4 whole square is equal to mod a plus b minus 7 by root 2. Okay. Now we have to set up the equation. Okay. Now since the circle passes through minus 1 comma 0. So if it is passing through minus 1 comma 0, what do we get? minus 1 minus a whole square plus 0 minus b whole square is equal to r square. I applied which formula? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. This formula I applied because we have a point and we have center. Okay. Now the point 3, 4 is on the circle. So for the circle to touch the line at 3, 4, we take this condition, this one. Under root a minus 3 whole square and all. Now if we take the distance formula and if we equate the radius, what do we get? Using distance formula, and equating the radius, what do you get? A plus 1 whole square plus b square is equal to, now this square, a minus 3 whole square plus b minus 4 whole square. Now you expand, you will get a square plus 2a plus 1 plus b square is equal to a square minus 6a plus 9 plus b square minus 8b plus 2a plus 1. So that is nothing but 25 minus 6a minus 8b. Okay. So we get 8a plus 8b is equal to 24. Here you can cancel a square, b square, b square. So then you will get this equation. So if you take 8 common, you will get a plus b is equal to 3. Now center is a comma b, no? So b is equal to a plus 1. Now substituting this in this equation. So a plus 1 is equal to 3. 2a is equal to 2. So a is equal to 2. If a is 2, b is a plus 1. No? So that means b is equal to 2. Now we have to find the radius calculation. Now x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to r square. So a is 1 and b is 2. So x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to r is 2 root 2. So 2 root 2 whole square. So x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to 8. Now expand x square plus 1 minus 2x plus y square plus 4 minus 4y is equal to 8. So x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y minus 3 is 0. This is the final answer. Take the next question. Find the equations of circles passing through 1, minus 1, touching the lines 4x plus 3y plus 5 equals to 0 and 3x minus 4y minus 10 equals to 0. Now suppose equation of circle is, we take the general equation, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Let the center be minus g comma minus f, perpendicular from center to the lines be equal, that is radius. So let us find out the perpendicular distance in both the cases. Mod minus 4g minus 3f plus 5 by root a square plus b square. So that is root 16 plus 9, which is equal to mod. Now I'm considering the second line equation. I'm finding the perpendicular distance. minus 3g plus 4f minus 10 by root 9 plus 16. Root 9 plus 16 cancel on both sides. So you will get minus 7g. If I bring all terms one side, what will I get? Minus 7g plus f minus 5 is 0. See, to remove plus or minus, we have to put, to remove modulus, we have to put plus or minus on both sides. If I'm taking plus, I'm getting one equation, and if I'm taking minus, I'm getting the other equation. So we get f is equal to 7g plus 5. Now, mod minus 4g minus 3f plus 5 by 5 whole square is equal to minus g minus 1 whole square plus minus f plus 1 whole square. I am equating perpendicular distance is equal to radius. So that means if I open the bracket, we will get, now this we can write minus 4g minus 3f minus 15. See, f is 3g is 7g plus 5, right? So if I put f is equal to 7g plus 5, what we will get? We will get minus 4g minus 21g minus 15 plus 5 whole square by 5 is equal to minus g minus 1 whole square plus minus 7g minus 5 plus 1 whole square. So you will get 5g plus 2 whole square is equal to g square plus 1 plus 2g plus 16 plus 49. Okay. So that is g square plus 56g. Now if you solve this, what do you get? 25g square plus 38g plus 13 is equal to 0. So you will get g is equal to minus 1 and minus 26 by 50. Now if g is equal to minus 1, f is equal to minus 2, circle is passing through 1 comma minus 1. So x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So 1 plus 1 plus 2g minus 2f plus c is equal to 0. So 2 minus 2 plus 4 plus c is equal to 0, or c is equal to minus 4. Now what is the equation of the circle? Equation of the circle is x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y minus 4 is 0. Take the next question. Show that x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0 touches the circle x square plus y square minus 3x plus 7y plus 14 equals to 0 and find its point of contact. So here first we will draw the figure. There is a circle and there is a line which is touching the circle. So what is the condition when a line touches a circle? Radius is equal to perpendicular distance, and this is the center. So first, what is the given circle equation? Given circle equation is x square plus y square minus 3x plus 7y plus 14 is equal to 0. So from the circle equation, we find GFC. G is minus 3 by 2. F is 7 by 2 and C is 14. Now center is minus G comma minus F. That is 3 by 2 comma minus 7 by 2. Now after finding the center, we will find out the radius. Radius is root over G square plus F square minus C. That is root over G square is 9 by 4. F square is 49 by 4 minus 14. That is root over 58 by 4 minus 14. 2 2s are 2 29s are. So if you take the LCM, 29 minus 28 by 2, that is root over 1 by 2, which can also be written as 1 by root 2. So you got radius as 1 by root 2. Now the same way we need to find out the perpendicular distance. So D is equal to perpendicular distance from center. What is the center? 3 by 2 comma minus 7 by 2 to the line. What is the line given? X plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So D is mod AX1 plus BY1 plus C by root A square plus B square. So that is mod A is 1, X1 is 3 by 2. B is 1, Y1 is minus 7 by 2. C is plus 1 by root 1 plus 1. 3 minus 7 is minus 4 by 2 plus 1 by root 2. That is 1 by root 2. So you got R is equal to D. Therefore, line touches the circle. Now, after proving that the line touches the circle, we need to find out this point of contact. Let's say this is P. Let P, H comma K be the point of contact. Now, if you look at the figure, you can see that P is the foot of the perpendicular. Now we need to apply the foot of the perpendicular formula. H minus x1 by A is equal to K minus y1 by B is equal to minus of AX1 plus BY1 plus C by root A square plus by A square plus B square. So here H minus x1 is 3 by 2 by A is 1. K minus y1 is minus 7 by 2. So that is plus 7 by 2 by 1 is equal to minus of 1 into 3 by 2 plus 1 into minus 7 by 2 plus 1 by A square plus B square 1 plus 1. So H minus 3 by 2 is equal to K plus 7 by 2 is equal to minus of minus 4 by 2 is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 by 2. That is 1 by 2. Now equate this first and last, then second and last. So H minus 3 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. That means H is equal to 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2. 4 by 2, which is equal to 2. And K plus 7 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. So K is minus 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Minus 6 by 2, that is minus 3. Therefore, point of contact is 2, minus 3.